welcome back to Vlogmas. If you are new here, I am Melanie, the creator and owner of Majestic Knowing Beauty. Thank you so much for tuning in and clicking on my face. If you are a returning viewer, subscriber, thank you for returning and joining the MK Beauty community. While you're here, go ahead, click that subscribe button, join the MK Beauty community, because the MK Beauty community is about all things beauty. It's a vibe. You should subscribe because you're going to have some fun, because we have fun as well. Whew. As you saw, I just completed a 30-minute R&B ride on Peloton with one of my favorite instructors, Alex Tucson. Whew. When I tell you this was a push, this was truly a push. I actually was supposed to complete this ride on yesterday with my best friend. We started riding once a week, doing a 30-minute ride as accountability partners. And I missed the ride yesterday morning, so I said I would do the ride. So here I am completing my part of the accountability and completing the ride on this morning. When I tell you it was a push, it was a push. I did not want to do it, but I got up, I did it anyway, and I feel great. I gave it my all. I'm dripping in sweat. So I think I'm going to do maybe a cool down or a stretch. I'll do some other form of exercise just to kind of wind down, relax, stretch my body. And then I'm going to hop in the shower and officially start the day. I did mention on yesterday that today we have a hair appointment. We are going to see Kenya. So we are going to shower after we finish this workout to prepare ourselves to go get our mane trimmed and treated. And we'll officially start the day. All right. Let's get into this next exercise and officially start our day.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
MK Beauties, I am ready to leave so that I can head to Kenya for this hair. I did throw on a hat, baby. This head is looking a mess. Today we are repping Kenya's merch. Her brand is Real Hair Gang. So we are repping our hoodie, which I absolutely love. This color is phenomenal. It goes with just about every and anything. So I'm going to show her some support today by wearing her merch. But at any rate, I just wanted to come back in and let you know we are getting ready to hit the road. But I forgot to ask you, when I checked in earlier, have you moved your body today? Have you done anything productive to move your limbs, to get moving, to get going? Okay, come on, sis. Come on, brother. Get up, move your body. No excuses. I feel good. I feel great. I'm energized. So I am officially ready to get it going. Let me show you guys what I am wearing for my appointment with Kenya today. Okay, here we go. Fedora, Real Hair Gang hoodie, brown leather pants, my two-tone J's that my husband bought me for my birthday this year. I absolutely love them. This color eats. It's two-tone and it goes very well with my neutrals. But this is what we are rocking with today. All right, I need to hurry up and leave. My appointment is at 12:30. Oh, I'm sorry, 11:30. Oh my God, it's 10:21. I gotta go. All right, I'll check in with you guys when I arrive. All right, look who it is, Kenya. Baby, Kenya got the holiday cheer going on up in here. Yes, cheers. So we just got our hair washed. We about to start with the blowout and trim.
Blowout and trim.
Yeah. Let's get it. This is my first year trying to do Vlogmas. And that's a lot of work.
Yeah, because you got to record it, cut it. I
Every
already
day.
know from doing them little reels.
Every day.
I couldn't imagine trying to.
Every day. Yesterday I had to post 2 videos. To be free. It feels good though.
Yeah.
I can tell it feels it. There's something about the feel.
Yeah, I mean, you know what you need to trim.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't curl up the same.
Yeah. Her use. And I don't know why I don't get these type of results. That's because Kenya is the GOAT. Y'all know I say, in Kenya I trust.
You come close.
Yeah, thank you, Kenya. The curls are back. Melanie is back. Yes. Still has some straight ends, but that's no problem. It'll revert back. Just hope I don't get the shears and cut myself, because I'm well capable of doing such a thing as that. Now that we are done here, I'm getting ready to go to the makeup studio. Kind of visit there and do a few things, and I need to get some lashes for this weekend, and I need to I'll probably do a few other stops, but to be determined. But right now, let's hit the road and go to the makeup studio, and then we'll see where we land after that. But for right now, we cute and we in these streets. It's time to be seen. Ladies, y'all know when you get your hair done and you're feeling cute, it's time to be seen in the streets, baby. All right, y'all, let's go.